Amber thinks by leaking this video is going to go a long way for her.
Back in 2016, a TMZ reporter confirmed that Amber leaked the alleged tape where she had secretly recorded Johnny banging and smashing cabinets. So why has she been denying this fact in court from the start of the trial? We can see how the clip was cut and edited to start after she had set up the camera, and it also did not show the end where Amber is seen smirking into the camera.
It would need to be, if it was a tip, we would need to verify it. If it was media, such as photos or videos, that would need to be extensively verified to ensure that the person sending it is the copyright holder and that we would have the legal ability to air it and distribute it.
Even from this TMZ worker, no video could be uploaded by TMZ unless it had been verified that it was directly from the source and that the owner was the legal copyright owner, and TMZ could use the clip without copyright issues. The video was even released 15 minutes after the tip was sent in, because that's how quickly TMZ was able to confirm from the owner of the video that the video was legally theirs. For this to have been possible for TMZ, it seems that Amber was the one who had personally sent the clip and even confirmed that she owned the clip herself.
Ms. Heard was filing a restraining order at a courthouse in downtown Los Angeles. So I dispatched camera people to that location.
This ex-TMZ employee confirms that he had received information from Amber and team that Amber was going to file a restraining order against Depp, so he dispatched his paparazzi to flock to that court and get pictures for the news. Amber has denied so much that she would never have wanted to hurt Johnny, that she would never have called the police nor the press on Johnny because she wanted the proceeding to be quiet and undercover, but that unanimously the press had heard about it and were there the moment she walked out of the courtroom.
Amber, did Johnny give you that bruise on your face? Did Johnny beat you up? Did Johnny brutalize you?
But here the employee who was contacted by Amber's team actually confessed and testified that Amber and her team called him, and obviously they had to have confirmed that what was being said was true before dispatching the paparazzi, and that's how we know Amber did send news of her court attendance to the press. She even told them which side of her face she wanted to be captured because there was an alleged bruise on that side of the face.
And what footage was TMZ trying to capture at the LA courthouse on May 27th, 2016?
We were trying to capture Amber leaving the courthouse and an alleged bruise on the right side of her face.
During court, while the ex-TMZ employee was testifying and outing Amber and her team for leaking all info about the courthouse, Elaine, Amber's lawyer, decided to interrupt just so she could break the brilliant and honest flow of conversation between Camille, Johnny's lawyer, and the witness.
2016.
Objection, Your Honor. Hearsay and foundation.
What were they supposed to do?
Right. She's asking for, I don't think there's a foundation.
I'll overrule the objection at this point.
Go ahead, Mr. Tremaine.
Can you state the question again?
Even the judge thought this was BS and overruled the objection, and we can see Johnny smiling since he knows Amber's lies are all going to be exposed and no one will stop it. It seems like she sent a lot of leaks to TMZ.
16, where she was giving a deposition.
So what did you do in relation to that tip?
I dispatched camera people to a parking lot adjacent to a law office in which she would be arriving to, so we could get the footage of her arriving.
Even for the deposition in August, she sent another tip to the press telling them that she was going for her deposition and they should come for the juicy tea that involves her and the famous Johnny Depp.
Do you typically send paparazzis to parking lots of law offices?
No, not at all.
Did you get the shot of Miss Heard on August 6, 2016?
We did.
Obviously, if it's the Johnny Depp, paparazzi would be sent to parking lots. If Amber had been married to someone who isn't as famous or newsworthy as Johnny is, then I guess no one would have been dispatched to some parking lot for pictures.
What story was that?
On the 12th, we received a video depicting Johnny Depp slamming some cabinets that was captured by Ms. Heard.
And there you have it, guys, directly from the person who received the video. It was taken and sent by Amber Heard. Period. What other evidence do we need that Amber was the one who sent the video to TMZ? We know she recorded it. She was seen setting up the camera and moving it so that it could follow Johnny and have Johnny captured as he destroyed cabinets, and she even testified that yes, she had recorded it because if she hadn't, Johnny would have forgotten all about it by the next day. Let's just be honest here. Why would I secretly record the person I love during their tantrums just so I could show it to them? They know themselves. They know they throw tantrums, so why should I take illegal videos and pictures and show it to them? She had planned for a long time on how she would break up with Johnny and how she would sue him, and that's why she was always illegally taking videos and pictures, knowing she was going to need the evidence when she finally decided to dump him and take his money.
Putting a translucent watermark over it, which indicates copyright ownership.
After you did that, was it posted?
It was posted, yes.
Where was it posted?
It was posted to TMZ.com.
Since the video was directly from the source, TMZ watermarked it as theirs and copyrighted the clip.
The only way to obtain copyright over media would be if we shot it ourselves, if it was sent to the tip line, source verified that it was from the original copyright owner, and then either purchased from that person or given to us. And then the third option would be if it was directly given to us by the copyright holder, like a direct source.
TMZ really hit it big on that one since no other media outlet had the scoop because it was a TMZ exclusive and TMZ owned the copyrights. They claimed that even though they received the clip, it wasn't in its entirety as the first and ending parts that had been present in the clip played in court was missing from the video they had. It might have been a huge scoop, but it wasn't a full picture. It had been edited to make Amber the good person and Johnny the monster who was not hitting humans but hitting cabinets. TMZ might have heard from Amber and her team during all those tips, but they never heard from the one person they wanted to hear from, Johnny Depp. Clear indication that Johnny was never into malice or anything but justice and truth. That's it for this video. See you in the next one.